Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. When in Rome, do like Romans do. When in Greece, there is no reason to do otherwise. Today we'll be cooking in Greece. So 3 beautiful Greek dishes. We'll do a vegetable meat pie. We'll do a phyllo dough pie with figs and nuts. And we'll do tzatziki sauce. And for help, I invited special guest, famous Greek philosopher Socrates. Could you please tell us your special wisdom?
The only true wisdom is knowing you know nothing.
Bravo, bravo, bravo. This is worth a toast. All right. There is to life and beauty and all good things. Opa!
Opa!
And now we'll start. Okay, our beautiful organic Greek vegetables. We're gonna fry them now. So you have eggplants, zucchinis, and tomatoes. Here we go, and we take a few minutes, and we'll start doing tzatziki sauce. Let's go. Our vegetables almost ready, and I'll prepare tzatziki sauce. It's very Greek, very fresh, and very delicious. Everybody loves it. So we will need Greek yogurt, we'll need cucumbers, we'll need dill, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. And I will start with grating cucumbers. So our cucumbers have to be grated on a large size because you actually need to fill them in the sauce. They're not supposed to be tiny. It's have to be large pieces. So after that, I'm gonna put a little salt and let them stay. So the reason for that, so they will let the juice go. So you don't want the juice be floating inside the sauce. They have to be kind of dry. That's why we need to be put them aside with the salt. It will take about 10 minutes. Okay, so cucumbers strained, not juicy. Now we'll mix all ingredients together. Cucumbers, yogurt, okay, garlic, lemon juice, and dill. So we'll add olive oil, and mix it all together. Just like that. All right, let's try. Beautiful piece of pita, tzatziki sauce like that, and this goodness. Oh my God, it's so good. So delicious. Okay, tzatziki sauce. Final step, meat almost ready. So we got vegetables ready, meat is almost cooked. So we're gonna set everything together on a pita with tzatziki sauce. And now we're ready for the most delicious Greek pie made from puff pastry, 2 types of cheeses, feta cheese and brie, figs, walnuts, rosemary and honey. and olive oil. So let's put it together. So we cut in pieces. This is done. Now we'll put this just a little bit touch of olive oil like that. All right, so I'm gonna do a little holes so it will breathe while it's in the oven. Okay, tack, tack, tack. You can use a fork or knife, doesn't matter. All right, so now here goes figs. Oh my God, they're so juicy and beautiful. Like everything in Greece. Like that. Like that. So we'll spread them around. All right, now we put cheese. Walnuts. Rosemary. And we'll just pour a honey. And just sprinkle a little bit of olive oil. Now this beauty goes to oven for 300 Fahrenheit, about 15-20 minutes. Just like that. Our phyllo pie is ready. Just look at that beautiful, beautiful thing. And we're going to try everything right now. I invited another guest because Socrates has to leave. He's old. And I have to invite somebody else very special. We'll see if he's coming. Okay, our table is ready, everything's set, all food is ready. And I invited a special guest. He is going to be joining me in a minute. He's expecting someone, and it's going to take a few minutes.
Penelope.
Yasso, Cyclop, how you doing?
You know, as usual, stinky, hungry, and lonely.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I can smell you a little bit stinky, but yeah, I understand.
I will sit down.
Okay, you can sit down, sure.
Okay.
No touchy, no touchy.
Okay.
Yes.
It's so beautiful today.
Okay, well, good.
I heard you have a cooking classes, but I guess I left. Yeah.
Yes, they left.
I'm
You came a
sorry.
little bit late, but no problem. The food is ready for you. Would you like to join me?
Yes, I will. What you have to prepare today?
Well, we had traditional Greek vegetables with the goat meat. We had feta pie, and they have tzatziki sauce.
Oh my God, the juice is so juicy. Juice. How the meat is cooked?
It's medium well.
Oh, I'm sorry. I eat only raw. I'm sorry. Yeah, I can eat.
Oh my gosh, I apologize. I didn't know you were just a raw eater, but
Yes.
I would give.
Yes.
Okay, if you don't mind, you can just start with the wine.
Okay.
And how we say in Greece, opa, to welcome our guests.
Yes.
No matter where they're coming from.
Yes. Okay. Cheers.
Thank you. All right. So, and that's how we eat. So we're gonna put these beautiful vegetables with meat on the pita, like that.
Oh, it's so yummy.
But you cannot eat, you say no?
I cannot eat that. No.
It's gonna happen, it's gonna upset your stomach. What's gonna happen?
Yeah.
Oh, you have such a sensitive system, I understand.
Yes.
Thousands years eating raw meat, I can see that.
Maybe you prepare something next time.
Maybe next time we'll do something more raw for you. Okay, so we do it like that.
Okay.
Like that, and we put tzatziki sauce right on the top.
Oh, right on the top?
Right on the top.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
It's so nice. Smell nice.
And,
Yes.
okay, I don't have a knife, but yeah, I'll just
All right, tell me how is that?
divide it like that.
Yes.
Just a second. I'm not gonna divide, I'm just gonna bite.
Yeah, like I do, yes. Oh, yes. It's so yummy. Oh, yes, I do the same. Yes. Yes. Yes, when I cut some beautiful meat, I eat the same way. Yes.
Thank you, my friend. Oh, there's our dough pie. Let me try that too.
Okay.
So it's nicely baked. We have feta cheese here. We have brie cheese.
Oh,
We have
that's
dough.
so beautiful. Yes.
We have figs and walnuts.
I believe it's so tasty. Yes.
It's so mind-blowing.
Oh my God,
Yeah, I
yes.
hate this word, but I keep saying it. It's so good.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, my friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for visiting my channel, Angelica's Cooking.
You forgot again. I can't believe it.
You know that?
Okay.
And I hope to see you next time.
Yeah.
Subscribe to my channel and be my guest. Thanks for watching us.
Cheers. Yeah.
Opa!
Opa.